How to recognize signs of a dog with a broken tail at the base or near the spine. Dogs are known for their wagging tails, which is a sign of happiness and excitement. However, this part of their body is also susceptible to injury, including fractures or breaks. It is important for dog owners to be able to recognize the signs of a broken tail at the base or near the spine, as prompt veterinary care is crucial for the comfort and well-being of the affected dog. In this video, we will discuss the common signs of a broken tail and provide tips on what to do if you suspect your dog has experienced such an injury. Understanding the anatomy of a dog's tail. Before discussing the signs of a broken tail, it is important to understand the anatomy of a dog's tail. The tail is an extension of the spine and is made up of vertebrae, each connected by joints and cushioned by discs. The base of the tail is closest to the body, while the tip is furthest away. The position of the break or fracture in the tail will determine the severity of the injury and the symptoms that the dog may exhibit. Signs of a broken tail. 1. Visible swelling or bruising. If your dog has suffered a broken tail, you may notice visible swelling or bruising around the base of the tail or along its length. This may indicate internal bleeding or tissue damage. 2. Pain or discomfort. Dogs with a broken tail may exhibit signs of pain or discomfort. They may whimper, yelp, or show signs of reluctance to move or have their tail touched. Dogs may also exhibit changes in behavior, such as becoming more irritable or withdrawn. 3. Abnormal tail position. A noticeable change in the position of the tail can be an indication of a broken tail. A tail that droops or hangs limply may suggest a fracture or break at the base or near the spine. For loss of tail function, dogs with a broken tail may experience a loss of tail function. They may be unable to wag their tail or exhibit difficulties in balance and coordination when walking or running. 5. Changes in bowel movements. In severe cases, a broken tail can result in nerve damage, affecting the dog's bowel or bladder control. If you notice any changes in your dog's ability to control their bowel movements, it is important to seek veterinary care immediately. What to do if you suspect a broken tail. If you suspect that your dog has a broken tail at the base or near the spine, it is important to act quickly. Here's what you should do. 1. Approach with caution. Dogs in pain can be unpredictable, so approach your dog with caution. Speak to them in a soothing voice and avoid sudden movements that may cause further distress. 2. Restrict movement. Prevent your dog from exerting any unnecessary movement, which may worsen the injury. If necessary, gently secure their tail using a makeshift splint or bandage. 3. Seek veterinary care. Contact your veterinarian immediately and explain the situation. They will provide further guidance and may request you to bring your dog in for a thorough examination. For follow treatment recommendations, once a veterinarian has assessed your dog, they will provide a treatment plan based on the severity of the injury. This may involve pain medication, rest, or potential surgical intervention. Preventing tail injuries. While accidents can happen, there are steps you can take to help prevent tail injuries in your dog. 1. Supervised play. Keep an eye on your dog during playtime, especially if they are interacting with other dogs. Rough play can lead to tail injuries, so it is important to intervene if necessary. 2. Protect their tail. If your dog participates in activities where their tail may get caught or injured, consider protecting it with a tail guard or wrap. 3. Be mindful of surroundings. Dogs that are excitable or unfamiliar with their surroundings may accidentally hit their tail against objects, causing injury. Be mindful of your dog's environment to prevent accidents. Conclusion. Recognizing the signs of a broken tail at the base or near the spine is crucial for the health and well-being of your furry friend. By being vigilant and familiarizing yourself with the symptoms, you can act quickly and ensure your dog receives the necessary veterinary care. Remember, prevention is key, so take steps to protect your dog's tail from potential injuries and accidents.